In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add second Google account to Zen Browser. By the end, you'll be able to keep work and personal Google services signed in side by side and switch between them without logging out. Start by opening Zen Browser on your computer. It doesn't matter what page you land on first. We just need a fresh page to get to Google. Open a new tab so you have a clean slate. In the address bar, type google.com and press enter. If your new tab already shows Google, you're ready to go. On the Google homepage, look to the top right corner. You'll see a small circular profile icon. It might show a letter, a photo, or a generic silhouette. This icon represents the Google account currently active in your browser session. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Add Account. This option lets you sign in with another Google account while keeping your existing one active. Click Add Account. You're not replacing your current sign-in, you're simply adding another one to the same browsing session. You'll be taken to a Google sign-in page. In the email field, type the email address of the second Google account you want to use, then click Next. Take a moment to double-check spelling before moving on. Using the correct address here ensures your bookmarks, emails, and files load from the right account. On the next screen, enter the password for that account and click Next. Keep your password private and make sure you're on a secure network if you're doing this outside your home or office. Depending on your account's security settings, Google may ask for a quick verification step. If you see any prompts, simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's you. Once you're signed in, you're done. You now have two Google accounts connected in Zen Browser, and you can switch between them whenever you need. To move between accounts, click the same profile icon at the top right on any Google page and select the account you want to use. This makes it simple to check emails in one account and open Drive files in another without logging out. Quick recap. Open Zen Browser, create a new tab, and go to Google. Click the profile icon in the upper right, choose Add Account, enter the email, and then the password. That's all it takes to add a second Google account to Zen Browser smoothly and securely.